Olapalo unyet kangin ikaru Ikristayon anatar Diocese Lokosoroti kesi idiaros Saint Joseph ngora aitun aparan ke Yosepulo alaunan ka aitun ngora kwape aboisit na asodit na abu ayun kodol karulo elukumit ediope akwata kanyangon kede itomonare kotoma ailipa sine kano Episcopilo Actually Kosoroti Diocese Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Echiru Oliach ngesi abu Ikwenyak ngul lu ekotosi Acodunun eswama kaloka suban Aisac ngun.
That is why I always tell you that the moment you realize that you are about to commit sin with a priest, run away. Do what? Run. Tena langsung. Dia jin kali ya tidak dia kerja. Semua ni. Oke. Ikonakan? Oke. Mau ya kau ikonali? Orang ni. Orang itu. Ya jin kita juga baik saya ikonali. Kau juga subal akeh kau nya subal bala itu bisa dia kau dua. Ini sekali kau baik ikonakan. We hold those who obey God, hold the things of God with reverence. With the reverence. Hold them with the reverence. Ulu dari martos lokas. Kalau kita pas kita kelisia itemenyo, halupo. Hari jadi bakal nu kalau enak ini langsung bang. Kalau enak ini langsung bang. Kita pas itu. Do you think such people can even sit and plan and do evil to a priest? No.
Abuda babongesi kilip Ikristayon araut lu erimaritos lokasuban.
Erimaritel lokasubani duch wangai. Lima kilo bajunya terkonare kan itu mana job ini. If there is anything that God always asks of the people of Israel, it is this one thing: obedience. You know that this is where our first parents Adam and Eve failed. What did they do? They disobeyed God.
Episkopi ngesi bobo abu ilip Ikristayon ay tegear kangin ibore kede lokasuban opote konye luche ekaulo.
Kaki tungulu de kompaya ni. Pupuna la jakona ko bai. Raja tingae. Kasuban God is fast. God is fast. In all your plans, God is fast. Before accepting that man as my husband, God is fast. God is fast. God is fast. When I get my salary, God is fast. Those who obey God never compromise with their faith. They never compromise with their faith. They do not compromise with the prayer life. They never compromise with the prayer life. They give no excuses for not praying.
Episkopi ngesi abu engetak asobanano kilipite Ikristayon arautlu isingarenete aminanara.
Where there is no good, there is no love. Where there is no love, there is no God. And where there is no God, there is no paradise. Can you imagine? Would you like to live in such an environment? No. You are saying no. How do you put it? No. Can you say it again? No.
Otoma asuban kanu Reverend Father Silva Opio Nyesi abu olimo Ikristayon ebe Otoma okaru diarelu atukuna piai Ni adukun Regina Cheli Cathedral apedosi kesi atukun ebilionit ediope Ekenyakin iuni ido ingarenite Saint Patrick Madera kede emilionin akwatat kede itomnadio kotupakini Immaculate Conception Cathedral Parish Kanuka TV East Abat Paul Eyoku Kongora District.